Hey explorers, I'm Steven, and today we're launching into space to see what's inside our solar system. Our solar system is our cosmic neighborhood, a family of planets orbiting the sun. The sun is our star, a huge ball of hot plasma that gives us light and energy. It's so big that 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside it. Closest to the sun is Mercury, tiny and super hot. Next is Venus, wrapped in clouds so thick it's hotter than an oven. Then comes Earth, our home, the only planet we know with life. Mars is the red planet, dusty and dry with mountains bigger than Everest. Between Mars and Jupiter is the asteroid belt, millions of rocky fragments. Then comes Jupiter, the largest planet with a storm bigger than Earth. Saturn is next, famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Uranus is a blue-green ice giant that spins on its side like a rolling ball. Neptune is the windiest planet, with storms faster than a jet plane. Beyond that lies the Kuiper Belt, icy worlds and dwarf planets like Pluto. The solar system is held together by gravity. The sun's pull keeps everything in orbit. Gravity is the invisible force that shapes the universe, and it's everywhere. Planets aren't alone. We also have moons, asteroids, and comets that fly through space. Moons orbit planets. Earth's moon controls our tides and lights up the night sky. The solar system is huge, but it's only one tiny part of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy has billions of stars, and each might have its own planets. Scientists use telescopes and spacecraft to explore our cosmic home. Robots like Perseverance and Voyager help us learn what's out there. The solar system keeps changing. Asteroids move, moons spin, and new discoveries appear. One day, humans might live on Mars or beyond. So what's inside our solar system? Planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and a shining star. It's a cosmic dance of motion and light, held together by gravity. The sun gives us life, the planets give us wonder, and space gives us endless mystery. From Mercury to Neptune, every world has a story, and we're still exploring them all. Stay curious, explorers, and keep thinking out of this world.